Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Ordinary Multi-Active Delivery Essence. This product retails for $12. Full transparency, I did get this product sent to me from The Ordinary. That will not affect my review, but I do want to say thank you to The Ordinary for sending me this product to try. They didn't ask me to make a full long form review on it though. This is completely my own decision and truthfully a product that I wanted to pick up whether they sent it to me or not. This is a very simple yet interesting launch from The Ordinary. I'm liking that they are releasing more complex formulas, even though this one seems to be a little bit more on the simple side. They use great ingredients that are supposed to make this a hydrating essence to also enhance the penetration of your actives. I haven't tried it yet, haven't even felt it, haven't put it to the test, but I am interested too. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They include 4 standout ingredients that I have listed in the description. You can also click the link in the description to go to their website for full information about this product. The main things I'm going to be looking for with it include what finish does it leave on the skin, how does it leave my skin feeling, do I notice any acne or breakouts coming up on my skin. I also want to see if I notice any difference with my actives when using this product. They personally testify it with their niacinamide serum, but I don't personally use that day to day. I mainly use different gel and azelaic acid. So those would be the main things that I am testing out with this product. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this essence. Very excited because I feel like The Ordinary is bringing back simplicity to essences, which is interesting because it is a more complex formula for The Ordinary. I mean, they've been doing it for a little while, so it's not that big of news anymore, but they have been releasing more complex formulas. They kind of started as a more simple formula brand, so I'm glad that they are doing that. But in terms of comparing this to other essences, they seem to focus on fairly simple hydrating ingredients. I did do a spot test of this. First of all, you are able to control how much you get out. Very watery. I mean, truly, what I feel like the word essence was built off of was styles of products like this. Leaves a nice lightweight finish, slightly tacky whenever it dries. Not sticky, not greasy, not heavy, but I can definitely tell that this is supposed to be a layering step because it's supposed to enhance your actives. It's supposed to also hydrate and nourish the skin. So I'm very excited for that. I am going in with azelaic acid today and my skin gets really dry from that ingredient. Specifically right now, my skin has been so sensitized. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat this in really gently. Whenever I'm struggling with acne, I do like using actives, but I like balancing those with some pretty nourishing and hydrating products. Which, look at that, it gave a really beautiful lightweight glow. But this is weightless. Like, I don't even feel it on the skin. Leaves practically no finish. So I feel like it would be perfect for any skin type. I mean, this is just a building layer of a skincare routine. You definitely will need to follow this product up with some heavier products, or if you're oily, just a lightweight gel cream. But ultimately, this is just a solid essence. It's very budget friendly, and I'm excited to see how it works with active. So I'm going to continue using it. I'm going to try using it with azelaic acid and also different gel. Those are the current actives in my routine, and I will keep you posted on how it performs as that, and also if this is a step that's really worth it. Because even though it is more budget friendly and lower on the price scale, sometimes products like this just aren't necessary. So I will see and evaluate that through extended use. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this essence. With the affordability, the amazing simple ingredient list, and the great things that I saw with it, I see no reason why you shouldn't try out this essence. I feel like all skin types would benefit from it. It's an essence that I feel like holds up the origin of the term essence, which is supposed to enhance the penetration of your skincare actives and also be an extremely lightweight hydration step. I first of all love that The Ordinary utilized simple ingredients in here that have been proven to be great hydrators, at least through my experience. This product did everything everything it needed to, and I really loved it. It was a very lightweight step, didn't cause any acne, didn't break me out. It was perfect to go in right after a toner, and I noticed that it was slightly helping my actives. Now, the only way I've been able to tell that is just my skin has been looking better, been looking a little bit more radiant and hydrated, and I love that aspect of it. I feel like that if you're wanting to incorporate an essence or hydrating toner step in your skincare routine, this would 100% be the way to go if you're looking for a more simple approach. There are obviously reasons for using different steps in your skincare routine, depending on if you're wanting a more complex product or if you're just wanting a more basic routine. I would more recommend this for people who are just wanting a simple approach to a skincare routine when it comes to ingredient lists and when it comes to the products that you're using. Also, if you're looking to use minimal ingredients that are proven to be very effective at hydrating your skin, that is when I'd recommend going for this. There are definitely more times where you would need a more complex formula, which is funny because The Ordinary has been releasing more complex formulas, but comparing it to other essences that I've tried on the market, this definitely is one of the more bare bones and simple approaches to that. Still effective though. I personally like it, and it's something that worked for my acne prone skin. Not sure that it will be a universal experience with that, but sometimes if you are looking to go for a more minimalistic approach, either some ingredients have broken you out or you're just wanting a more simple ingredient list, that is when I would really recommend going for this product. It stood out with the great hydration that it delivered, and I felt like it was helping my overall skin appearance, and the benefits of my actives as well kind of helped balance some of the drying actives that I use too, because I've experienced some dryness with azelaic acid, and so I feel like if you've also struggled with your actives being a little bit drying, that's when I really would recommend this. Overall though, I enjoyed it. I feel like it was a great simple approach to an essence, and kind of goes back to why I feel like the essence step was originally created. If you're looking for a more complex product, I feel like there are better options on the market, but if you're looking for just a simple approach, is when I would recommend this essence. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.